I want to show you how you can make passive income using AIs. These AIs are actually free. Artificial intelligence, absolutely free. You do not have to pay a single dime for it. All right. Now, if you have a 9-to-5 job, you're currently a stay-at-home mom or you're a student, and you have been searching the online space for how you can actually make passive income, this video right here is for you. It's a game changer. Now, there is something you need to do. Try as much as you can to watch the video up until the end, because at the end of the video, I'm going to be showing to you my most valuable AI, the one that has worked for me the most, and I'm going to show you what I have done with it and currently how much it's generating for me passively every single month of the year. Now, if you want to do this, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video, because in a very short while, you're going to be earning money. You're going to be receiving alerts on your phone, your mobile device, all right? That is going to be a game changer for you. Now, if this is your first time on my channel, I need you to do something for me. Hit on the subscribe button, all right? So you get to see more videos like this, because I get to churn out videos like this every single time that are very valuable and will revolutionize and change your finances, or particularly your journey in the online space. Without further ado, let's hop right in. So I'll show you that from number 1 to number 5. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to come on your ChatGPT, right? You heard me right. The first thing you want to do is to come on your ChatGPT. Now, I'm currently on the ChatGPT 4.0, the ChatGPT 4, which is also the advanced form and paid, and there is the free ChatGPT, which is the 3.5 and all that. So if you are not a paid subscriber, which means that you are not on the ChatGPT 4 or 4.0, you probably will not be able to access those other ones, but you could also use this for ChatGPT 3.5, alright, which is free. So all you have to do is to come here and click on Explore GPTs, alright. You can see all of this. Now, the first thing I want to bring to your notice is Write For Me. Now, the first thing I want to show you is how that you can write for people and actually get paid for writing for people, and this is something you can do in your free time. Now, interestingly, you do not really have to do this all by yourself. All you have to do is to come to ChatGPT like I did right now and click on this Explore GPTs button, right? And you can come here, you can see different AIs that are really available to you. Now, what you want to do here is to click on Write For Me, right? You can see it says write tailored engaging content with a focus on quality, relevance, and precise count. Now, I want to do this and click on open on a new tab so that it does not alter with this, because we're going to be coming back here. All right, now we've opened this on a new tab. Now, what this work does for you is that it helps you create engaging content for your clients. Now, you can say discover and create. It's basically about creating content. Now, a lot of clients are going to be reaching out to you requiring that you create content for them. Now, if you have a problem with where you can actually sell these services, I would show you that at the end of the video. Also, I can show you how you can also monetize these services without having to sell it. You could actually work, use this skill yourself, use this content yourself. Now, all you have to do when you come here, you click on Write For Me, and it's going to open for you. You can see write me a 1,000 word analysis on the future of GPT, right? Literally, these are literally searches by people. If someone here says write me a 200 word product description for a red screwdriver. Now, chances are that this person is someone who is into affiliate marketing, all right? So he wants to probably, get a content on a red screwdriver that he could use for some of his content and all that. So, for instance, that is what you want to do. You're just going to come here and click on, Start Chat. So this will mean that this is absolutely free, write tailored engaging content with a focus on quality, relevance, and precise word. Now, whatever it is that your client is requiring, you're just going to put it here. Now, you can also use this skill for affiliate marketing, like you see the screwdriver person was doing earlier on, which means, for instance, if you're trying to, market any product, say do affiliate marketing, and you've gone to ClickBank and you probably gotten your affiliate product, or probably Amazon affiliate, right? And let's say you're trying to market a screwdriver. All you have to do is to come here and says write a brief review, or probably specific, say the word, write a brief 200 word review on a red, like the person did earlier, screwdriver for or for affiliate marketing. You're going to click on search, and once you click on search, it's going to bring you a very clean, detailed text, and you can just, all you have to do is to actually copy this text that has been available to you and paste it. Now, some clients would actually require that you create content for them, you know, detailing what they want, and that's not a big deal. All you have to do is to come here and actually type that. Now, the second thing you can do and make money passively using AI is actually the Scholar GPT. You can see here it says enhance research with over 200 plus resources and build in critical reading skills, access Google Scholar, you know, PubMed and all that. Now, what you want to do with this is simple. You get to reach out to people who are in higher institution, people who are doing their A levels, you know, master's degree or PhD degree, and you get to write thesis for them. I have a friend particularly who makes money off, you know, digital marketing or the digital space, and what he does is simply by creating articles that people need. For instance, if a PhD student is requiring an article on a particular subject, he just creates it. All right. Now he writes tailor-made, you know, academic writings, you know, project reports, you know, scholarly article, whatever it is that is required. You can do that simply by using the Scholar GPT. Now, the third thing on my list is project research, which is what I just explained to you. Another thing you can do using this ChatGPT is actually creating logos for people. You can say, use me to generate professional logo design and app icons. Now, it's very simple. All you have to do is to put in the detail of any logo you want to generate. It says, use me to generate logo. Generate me a logo featuring an ice cream. So clearly, if for instance a client reaches out to you and is asking you to generate a logo for him or her, and that client is into selling books, so you simply say, create a logo for me of a company selling books. I'm just going to give it some time. It will load. It says, surely I'd be happy to create a logo for you and all that. So it's asking questions, just a few detailed questions, you know, to get more clarity. It says, would you like the logo to be vibrant, neutral, serious? So I'm just going to type vibrant, click on enter. So second question. So it's going to ask you a few questions and all that before, you know, going on to generate the logo for you. All right, now that's the third thing, which is generating logo for potential clients that would reach out to you. Again, do not forget, I said something very important when I started this video. If you do not know who you can sell this to or how you can sell this, I'm going to show you that at the end of this video. And again, do not forget that I'm going to be showing you the most important and the one that has fetched me money and is fetching me money currently. All right, now I've been able to show you that. Now another thing on my list, right, is data. It says drop in any file and I can help you analyze and visualize your data. Web browser, I can browse the web to help you gather information or conduct research. Professional writing coach, like literally I've even gone beyond my stipulated 5 that I wanted to show you. And this is a lot of people use ChatGPT, but not so many people know about this feature of exploring the GPTs, right? Now the last and not the least on my channel or this video is ideogram. Now ideogram is a very vital, I've made a video on ideogram on my other channel, on this channel, full video tutorial on ideogram and how you can use ideogram. If you want to watch that video, just check the description of this video on how you can make money using ideogram particularly. Now ideogram is simply an AI that helps you generate image, whatever kind of image you want. So for instance, I'm just going to write here, generate a picture of a child playing in the mud with friends in Africa. So you're going to click on search, give it some time to load. It's just going to take its time to generate for you. Now, one very essential thing you can do for this is actually work with clients and all that. You can see it just created a very beautiful picture for us that is very detailed. Give it some time. You can see these are children playing in the mud, and what we said is generate a picture of a child playing in the mud with friends in Africa. Now, isn't this very beautiful? Isn't this lovely? This is just simply iconic. Now, you can create YouTube shorts with videos like this and actually share them online. Now, how have I been able to do that? Now, come here. This is my YouTube channel. This is one of my YouTube channels. All right, this is the channel. You can see currently your channel has got 674,000 views in the last 28 days. Currently, in the last 48 hours, I've been able to garner 81,453 views. And currently, my watch hour is at 3.3, subscribers about 2.1k, and overall view is 674,000 views. Now, you can imagine this channel is barely 28 days old, and I am already banking on this. And how do I do this? I simply generate content using Ideogram, and I simply publish this content on YouTube. All right, and then I get to make money from it. All right, guys, if you feel like I've given you value for your time, please do very well to hit on the subscribe button, like this video so that more people will get to see it. And again, if you need to watch the full tutorial on how to use Ideogram, the link is in the description of this video. Thank you for your time.